Just because you can buy with a 5% deposit doesn't mean that's the only thing that you need to save for. There's so much focus on that initial loan deposit for first home buyers, but there's so many other upfront costs to factor in. So let's break down a New South Wales $1.1 million purchase example today. First up, we have the loan deposit, which is $55,000 in this case, because this buyer used the first home guarantee scheme, which allows you to buy with a minimum 5% deposit and avoid paying lender's mortgage insurance. The next cost is stamp duty, which is $43,912. Now that's the full stamp duty. As a first home buyer in New South Wales, if you purchase for under $800,000, you get a full exemption from stamp duty. If you purchase between $800,000 and $1 million, you get a reduced rate of stamp duty that you have to pay. So they can't add stamp duty to their loan because they're maxing out their loan to value ratio at 95% because they've used that minimum deposit of 5% when using the first home guarantee scheme. And the next cost, we have our small government fees, which is transfer fee and mortgage registration fee. And then we move on to our conveyancer fee, which is for your legal representation when purchasing your first home. We then have your lender fees, which is for your application and setting up your offset account. Next, we have the building and pest inspection and building insurance. Now, building insurance costs will vary depending on the kind of property that you purchase and the kind of cover that you're going to need. Below, we have some extra costs to plan for. So we've got moving costs and furniture and household setup. Now, I've left a question mark here because this is going to vary depending on what you need. For moving, how far are you moving? Do you have equipment like a ute, a trailer to move everything into, or do you need to hire a removalist? And then with furniture, do you already have a lot of furniture because you're currently renting? Do you have to furnish your whole new home when you move in? Are you buying off the marketplace or are you buying brand new furniture? This is going to really depend on what you need in your situation. Now, the final cost is a cash buffer. Now, we always recommend having a cash buffer as a first home buyer. Now, this is for unexpected costs or emergencies that come up. It's easily accessible there. You can sit it in your offset account and it can reduce your interest that you're paying. So you can use that strategically as well. So yes, you can buy with a 5% deposit, which in this case was $55,000. But after you add in all these other upfront costs, excluding the furniture and moving, which you need to add in, you can see that the total is around $126,000. Now, this is just a general breakdown. If you want figures broken down for you, you can send me a message or book in a chat at firsthomeunlock.com.au/book, and I'd love to help you out. I'm Jack. I'm a mortgage broker specializing in helping first home buyers, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.